Howdy friends, and welcome to a scenic destination just off the beaten path. Today we are heading to the Rio Grande del Norte National Monument area in north central New Mexico, which is located just northeast of the well-known town of Santa Fe and not far from the familiar Enchanted Circle Scenic Byway, which is an 84-mile loop that encircles Wheeler Peak, the highest mountain in New Mexico at over 13,000 feet. This scenic route connects several interesting and historic towns including Taos, Cuesta, Red River, Eagle Nest, and Angel Fire. To get to the Wild Rivers recreation area, you will travel north of Cuesta along Highway 522 until you come to Cerro, where you will take Highway 378 into the recreation area. The area is quite remote, and I've always been curious about camping in this area after reading about dispersed camping along the Rio Grande Gorge. I actually explored this dispersed area on this trip, and all I can say is the dirt road is a mess getting there. And if you don't have four-wheel drive and a smaller RV with good clearance, then Wild Rivers is a much safer choice. Highway 378 into the area is a designated New Mexico scenic byway with several lookouts. Wild Rivers is known for the 800-foot deep canyons formed from the Red River and the Rio Grande rivers converging. There are 500-year-old trees, lots of sage, pinyon, and juniper trees, and plenty of wildlife, including some bighorn sheep I saw in one of the campgrounds. The first stop is Big Arsenic Campground, which has 8 campsites, with most of them near the cliffs. I wasn't able to film each site as some were blocked by traffic, but these are good representations. The entire area has smaller campsites and driveways and are best suited for tent camping, vans, pop-ups, and RVs less than 20 feet or so. Most of the camping sites in this area are not real accessible, although if you are careful, you could make it work out. Most of the driveways are packed gravel, but large cliffs and being on wheels is not a great combination. Little Arsenic Campground is next with 5 campsites, 2 vault toilets, and a horse trailer parking lot. Montoso Campground only has 4 campsites and 1 vault toilet. La Junta Campground is next with 3 campsites, 1 vault toilet, 5 picnic tables in a day use area, and a path to a scenic overlook of the converging canyons. El Aguaje Campground is the largest campground with 10 campsites, 2 vault toilets, and 2 day-use parking areas. I'll show you several of the sites, bathrooms, and other facilities found here. I hope you've enjoyed this short excursion and satisfied your curiosity about a place that you have to purposely come to, as it is not on the way to anything else. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more great camping content throughout the United States. Until next time, so long.